back to another leg of temptation of exploration. Over the next 7 days, we're going to explore the Hunter River from Denman, hopefully down to Morpeth in Maitland. Both historic towns. They have a lot of history, a lot of good places to visit. Never actually done this river by kayak before, but after the recent rain, we'll give it a go. Should take 7 days. We don't know where we'll camp, we don't know what we'll see, but we'll just take it day by day, hour by hour. But thanks for watching, stay tuned, and we'll see where it all unfolds to. See you on the next leg. A few of the obstacles you get when you kayak a flooded river. A few trees, a few downs, just got to pull the kayak a bit. Doesn't really matter, having a good time. I guess you have to appreciate what our pioneers and original settlers went through when they tried to move up into this country. It's not easy when there's no roads or tracks, but this is all part of the fun, and we're having a hell of a good time doing it. Bush saw. Actually learnt that trick at Bush Law Survival School. Well worth the visit. G'day to Rich, mate. Great bloke, mate. Do yourself a favour if you want to get outdoors and pay him a visit.